Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the versatile 3-piece torque wrench set, perfect for all your maintenance needs. This set includes 3 drive sizes, 1/4 inch with a range of 20 to 240 in.lb, 3/8 inch with 5 to 45 feet, lb, and 1/2 inch with 20 to 160 feet, lb, each boasting a calibration error range of just 3% and accompanied by a calibration certificate. Designed for safety and reliability, the 1/2 inch wrench emits a clear click and a noticeable hand vibration when the preset torque is reached, preventing over-tightening and potential damage. The 72-tooth reversible ratchet head allows for dual direction use, making it adaptable for various tasks. With a quick release button on the 3/8 inch wrench, changing accessories is a breeze, ensuring they stay securely in place during use. Constructed from high-hardness CRMO, these wrenches are built to last, and setting your desired torque is simple with the easy-to-use locking knob. Whether you're working on bicycles, motorcycles, cars, or even electrical installations, this torque wrench set is designed to enhance your efficiency and precision, ensuring a smooth and satisfying experience every time. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.